In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a photo on your Instagram story. So, whether you want to blur someone's face or hide part of an image, I'll show you an easy way to do it directly inside Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now head over to your profile page and tap on the Add Story option. Next, select the photo you want to upload to your Instagram story. Once the image has been added, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now tap on the search box and type in blur. You'll now see different blur stickers and effects appear on the screen. Choose the blur effect you want to use. For example, if you want to blur someone's face, you can select a face blur sticker. Now drag the blur effect over the area you want to hide. You can also resize the blur by pinching with 2 fingers. If you want to blur a larger area, you can choose one of the square or rectangular blur effects instead. Again, simply reposition and resize the blur effect wherever you want on the image. Once you're happy with the result, tap your story at the bottom of the screen to upload it. And that's how you can blur a photo on your Instagram story. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tutorials and social media tips.